How beautiful. Anything you can say the pussy pounded yeah. Is it like a bunch of yeah, over to me.
Alright, so my correct will be small thing, no matter don't enter panel. Who are the panel judges, guys? Who are those that are judging this matter? Now, so you can't enter Nollywood Celebs as they begin to react on top of Inside's beauty 100 million naira comment. Hey, guys, when I see say a small comment, now so it linger like this before you go know it don't enter, and when it enter, before you go leave, it go hard. Alright guys, I'm just going to allow you guys to listen to this before I move into what and how they react to this.
Over to me, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Other companies say they're big. They don't like PFC. Other companies say they're big. They don't like PFC. Other companies say they're big. They don't like we want a party. We want a party. We want a party.
You're looking pretty.
Let's get. Hey, Percy is balling. Hey, JJ is balling. JJ. Ah.
You are broke and proud.
Are you
Please say it again. I like it.
I stole iPhone 12 Pro Max on your face.
Now you the shop to your outside.
Okay.
But not be you did buy.
Don't call my
Now
name.
you the shop to your outside though.
Okay.
But not be you did buy. Normally you are broke and proud.
What?
You are broke and proud.
You are broke and proud.
You are broke and proud. Yeah, you are broke and proud. Big fella. Why? But not be you did buy. You are broke and proud.
Are you
Please say it again. I like it.
I stole iPhone 12 Pro Max on your face.
Now you the shop to your outside.
Okay.
But not be you did buy.
Don't call my
Now
name.
you the shop to your outside though. But not be you did buy. Normally you are broke and proud.
What?
You are broke and proud.
You are broke and proud.
You are broke and proud. Yeah, you are broke and proud.
Hi guys, Phyna say you're broke and pride, and Bella say tell them full package. Alright, my correct one here, and I matter take sub now from this comment to where we say these housemates are just vibing, catching cruise, having fun, and we saw this video of Beauty saying 100 million is a chicken change, just a chicken change. So meaning it doesn't, in fact, that one self, reach her slippers as in 100 million. Let me put slippers, so but according to her, she says it's a chicken change. Alright, so my correct one, so she dropped this one. Now you make some people, as I talked early, Nollywood Celebs Now so they enter. Say lie, why you go talk like that? Say this baby. My correct will not be small comment on it, so they begin to drag. Oh, all right. I'm just going to read exactly how they react to this. I will just read it out, guys, so that you will see how this Nollywood actor and actresses react to this beauty. All right, guys. Coming from Uche Obodo, we all know Uche Obodo, the Nollywood actress. She wrote and said, she put some emoji, so like a crying emoji. Come put all these like children. Oh, I beg, I for shout self for 1 million. I never even see 10 million before it can be 100 million. I beg you, I go walai, no shout. So I should drop that one. Deji, the actor, now replied and said, my own prayer is that $100 million with chicken, with will chicken change for me. Will chicken what I say one is a chicken, she said with chicken change for me in Jesus' name. Okay, it will be chicken change for him. Yes, so it's a good prayer. $100 will be a chicken change for you, my bros. Yes, that's a good one. Then Real Uche Ebere, this is a Nollywood actress again, now wrote and says, speaking out of pain and sadness, we understand, but it's nobody's fault that your attitude in the BB Niger house was stinking. Change your bad attitude now for your own good, so you won't cry in. Then why this person V Vogi said, mommy is ready for all stubborn children. They can put some laughing emoji, give them back to back. Then Priscilla, although she said, this lady is a weapon, always ready to be fashioned every 2 AK market day. This lady is a weapon, always ready to be fashioned every 2 AK market day. Okay. Oh. We have this one from Jenny Nee say, why can't someone shout 100 million na your mate and someone can say it's change? You want to flaunt your 100 million on someone who think it's change. She's definitely going to say it's change. It's like flaunting money on a $10. She can put emoji, chicken change, cry more, madam, actress. Then we have another one, Sweet Stevie said, madam, you too shook mouth for waiting no concern you person. They catch cruise, you they take her talk serious. Okay. Oh. And guys, we're having another one from Matt Lee. He said, the facts that she's your favorite doesn't mean she's right. How is 100 million change? Make me understand, please. Even shares where him papa gets money self also want to win that money. So why saying 100 million is a change? How? Beauty, please send me 5 million. Let's start from there. She can put emoji. Then Andy Noga said, why are actresses always triggered by BB Niger girls? They always jump out them in their place at their point is jealousy. We all know BB Niger people lie about everything. We take it as cruise. This actress should leave them alone. Then why this one is coming from Beauty Near Beauty? Say Beauty Takura has doing the most just a word. The internet is already on fire. Say now only one word where she dropped now. So everywhere don't begin they do boo. Alright, my correct no be small thing. No, in fact, this Nollywood actress, some people really dragged to say, why would you put math for inside this people matter? Then Kashi Bongo says so bad that she has no fan base or even her close ones to advise her, this girl pretty. We all know that, but hey, the display you did on BB Nigeria, if you were my sister and you came out, I would be so ashamed to associate myself with you. Try change your ways a little bit, madam. The imager said, where is the lie? Omo Oniro Oshio. Now I can put almost 7 emojis. And why Mickey Orino said her sin 100 million chicken change. You can put in God I beg. Even foul change, shift and come my side with a prayer hand. Pretty Onyi said this woman doesn't even hide her mouth. She comes directly. Alright, my correct people, if I continue reading, we'll not go come out here. That is the truth. Alright guys, that was exactly how they react. I will not be able to read all of them. But some people say, why would Beauty say 100 naira say na chicken change for this Nigeria economy where they like this? And some people drag on and so they talk and say, say, in fact, if I begin the talk, we're not going to come on there. But the main cocoa be say, some people did not really fashion that one say Beauty say na chicken change. Alright, my correct, I don't have more to say to this, but I want you guys to drop your comment, what you think, what you feel about the whole updates I drop for you guys. Please remember to subscribe if you have not done so, and also turn up your notification bell on for more updates. Thank you guys and God bless you. Please still stay tuned for more updates are still on the way.